Invention of the electric iron. In 1882, electric iron was invented by Henry W. Seeley of New York City. His iron was hooked up to an electrical source by detachable wires. The electricity stimulated the iron's internal coils. The electric iron changed the amount of time spent removing wrinkles from clothes. The electric iron also changed the way wrinkles were removed. Invention of electric motor. Moritz Jacobi created the first real rotating electric motor in May 1834. The scientist's full name was Moritz Hermann van Jacobi. He created motor in Russia country. The first electric motor set a world record in performance that stood for 4 years and was improved in September 1838 only by Jacobi himself. In November 1834, Jacobi sent a report on his engine to the Academy of Sciences in Paris. Invention of evaluation theory of natural selection. The theory of evaluation by natural selection was first put forward by Darwin in On the Origin of Species, published in 1859 in England. His theory is still generally accepted as the best available explanation of the way life on this planet developed. This theory describes how organisms evolve over generations through the inheritance of physical and behavioral traits. Darwinism allowed us to gain a better understanding to our world. It changed the way that people thought about life on Earth and opened new doors for science in the future. Invention of film sound. In 1907, Lee De Forest invented the Odeon, a 3-element vacuum tube which provided the basis in the early 1920s for a feasible amplifier. This amplifier produced an undistorted sound of sufficient loudness. This amplifier produced an undistorted sound and sufficient loudness. Between 1923 and 1927, he made more than 1,000 synchronized sound shots for release to special wide theaters. In old films, they used small microphones instead of big horns to collect the sounds. With electricity, they could make recordings that were loud enough for everyone in a large movie theater to hear. Invention of glider. In 1853, British engineer George Cayley built the world's first real glider. It carried his terrified servant on a short flight across the small valley before crash landing. Cayley established the modern configuration of an aeroplane as a fixed-wing flying machine with separate systems for lift, propulsion, and control as early 1799. In 1804, he flew the first successful glider, model of which there is any record. Gliders were developed from the 1920s for recreational purposes. Invention of insulin. Insulin was discovered by Sir Frederick G. Banting and Charles H. Best and J.J.R. McLeod at the University of Toronto in 1921, and it was subsequently purified by James B. Colip. Before 1921, it was exceptional for people with type 1 diabetes to live more than a year or 2 years. Frederick G. Banting was the father of insulin. It was the deadly disease at that time. Inventing insulin is the greatest discovery in Canadian discoveries. Invention of safety match. Safety matches were made by J.E. Lundström in 1855 in Sweden. They used red phosphorus and were considered to be much safer because they could only be lit by striking the match on the side of the box. Friction matches were first produced to the public in 1826 by John Walker. It was made by combining paste of sulfur with gum, potassium chlorate, sugar, antimony trisulfide. Red phosphorus is used to make match strikes because of its low ignition temperature property. Invention of radium. Radium was discovered by Marie Curie and Pierre Curie in 1898. They managed to extract 1 milligram of radium from 10 tons of uranium ore pitchblende. The Curies discovered the existence of the elements radium and polonium in their research of pitchblende. It was not long before scientists were using the invisible rays of radium to treat cancer. Radium is highly radioactive element and can be extremely dangerous. It was used in products called wristwatches and toothpaste. Invention of safety lamp. Sir Humphrey Davy is a Cornish chemist who invented a safety lamp. He got awarded for his work on safety lamp. The safety lamps were started in mines from 1816. Humphrey Davy, working with Michael Faraday, invented safety lamp in the Royal Institution of Great Britain. Later, Humphrey Davy became the president of the Royal Society in 1820. Safety lamp is so protected that will not immediately ignite combustible gases. A safety lamp provides illumination in coal mines. Invention of telescope. The first record of a telescope comes from the Netherlands in 1608, invented by Hans Lippershey with the States General of the Netherlands on October 2nd, 1608. The purpose of this instrument was to see the objects which are far or nearby us. It was the first optical refracting telescope. It provides a means of collecting and analyzing the radiation from celestial objects, even those in the far reaches of the universe.